Dude, what is this I hear? It really rocks.
Yeah, man. I just wrote it.
It's not like what you normally play. Normally you play 60s covers that depress everyone.
Not today, man. I'm way stoked. I just paid for Locksmith services.
What? Last week I locked my keys in the car. I was not happy about it. I played the Carpenters for a week straight because I was so depressed.
Nah, man. You don't understand. I saved $100. Another locksmith wanted to charge me 3 times as much. I saved huge.
Dude, who did you use? Because I'm always smoked out and losing my keys.
I called Prestige Locksmith. The owner, Shy, hooked me up.
Nice. What's their phone number?
858-353-7430. Save it in your phone just in case you lose your keys.
Nice. Thank you. But what happens if I lose my phone?
If you stop smoking, you wouldn't have to worry about things like that.